Whether you're a family, a builder, or have your own renovation or backyard goals, your dream starts here. 110 Maytree Avenue in Stouffville is the property you have been looking for. This home is nestled on this spectacular 60 by 125-foot lot in an established Stouffville neighborhood. Step out on that patio to your backyard and start envisioning your summer here. Surrounded by mature trees and privacy cedars, your dreams can come true. The home is a special find. There are 2 fireplaces, original hardwood, and charming built-ins to delight you. Multiple walkouts and in-home garage access are a bonus to the generous floor plan. The finished basement with laminate flooring, hot lights, and a 3-piece washroom is the added value you have been searching for. Just a hop, skip, and a jump from bustling Main Street, Stouffville. Memorial Park and community essentials like schools, churches, the local library, and community center are all just steps away. There is never a shortage of things to do. In the summer, Main Street will be bustling with patios and restaurants, boutiques and artisan shops, and a local farmers market, all a short walk away. The GO train station is ready to whisk you away to Toronto for a Jays game or a summer concert. This is 110 Maytree Avenue in Stouffville. Ready to make your move? Reach out to me today.